Selam everyone! In this video, I'll give you top Tatar phrases that you can use in your everyday life if you're about to embark into a Tatar-speaking environment, or maybe you simply want to add more phrases into your Tatar vocabulary. Before we start diving into the lesson, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you keep learning the Tatar language. First, let's discuss commonly used phrases to greet someone or to ask how they're doing. Selam, hi. It's a casual greeting, just saying hi to someone. Selam, İyi misiniz? Use this type of greeting when you meet someone in a more formal setting. Maybe when you meet your parents' friends or your boss, or when you simply meet someone that you've never met before. So, İyi misiniz? Rahimitigiz. Welcome. When you have guests over, you can just say Selam dostlar, rahimitigiz. Hayırlı gün, good day or good afternoon. If you remember, in one of our previous lessons, we discussed different ways to greet people, and there are equivalents to good morning, good evening, and so on. Good afternoon or hayırlı gün is just one of those phrases. So, hayırlı gün, good day. Küpten kuruşken yok idi. Long time no see. Oh, selam, küpten kuruşken yok idi. Hey, long time no see. Hallerigizin. How are you? How have you been? This is a more formal way. You can use this phrase when you meet someone you barely know, maybe your college professor if you haven't seen them in a while, maybe your parents' friends. So you say, Hallerigizin. Nihal. Nihal is another way to ask someone how they're doing, but in a more informal setting. For example, when you meet your family members or your friends. Selam, Nihal. What have you been up to? This is another way to ask someone how they're doing, again in a more informal way, when you meet again your friends or relatives. What happened, or what's wrong if we're using it in a more negative way. What happened? Why are you so sad? Siz kim bulasız? Who are you? In English, this phrase may sound a bit harsh, but when we use the word bulasız, or I guess to be, at the end of the sentence, it kind of softens it a little bit. Versus if you were to say siz kim, you can say siz kim bulasız, and it sounds a little bit nicer. Now let's discuss some common phrases to respond to a greeting. Yaxşı, rahmet, good, thank you. When someone asks you how you're doing, you can just simply answer Yaxşı, rahmet, without going into too much detail. Üzeriniçik, and how are you? In order to continue the greeting, you can just respond and say Üzeriniçik. Selam, Nihal. Yaxşı, rahmet, üzeriniçik. Keyifler şep. I'm in a great mood. Nihal, dik yaxşı, keyifler şep. How are you? Very good. I'm in such a great mood. Keyfim yok. I'm not in the mood. Eyde büyük yaparabız. Baranlıyım. Benim keyfim yok. Let's go to dance. I can't. I'm not in the mood. Allah'a şükür. Thank God. Allah'a şükür biz barımızda isen sağ. Thank God we're all healthy and well. Berkilish. I'm fine. Just somewhere in the middle. Not too bad or not too good. Just berkilish. Not sure. Bad. Not sure. Let's look at a couple of phrases to thank someone. Rahmet. Thank you. Very simple. Just rahmet. Rahmet olsun. This phrase literally means I'm showering you with gratitude. when you're trying to express your gratitude in a more deeper way, you can always just say rahmat yolsun. Big zur rahmat. Thanks a lot. Thanks a bunch. Big zur rahmat. Let's look at a couple of phrases to respond to rahmat or to thank you, like we just learned. İstanbul literally means be well or stay well. And actually, İstanbul can be used in two occasions. When somebody thanks you, rahmat big zur, İstanbul. Or when somebody sneezes. So you just say İstanbul, selamet bul. It's kind of the same as İstanbul, so it's basically stay well. Zurus, grow big. It's more applicable when a child thanks you and you can just say Zurus. And here are a few phrases that you can use when you need somebody's help or you need information. Zinhar, please. Zinhar është kibit ke krypçëvelen. Please stop by the store after work. Ofuytëgës. Again, this phrase can be used in two different occasions. One, as excuse me, when you need somebody's help. Ofuytëgës bedre kojaul. Excuse me, where are the restrooms here? Or in the second case, it would be when you apologize. I'm sorry, I was wrong. Sırasam bulama. May I ask you a question? Sırasam bulama avtobus tutalыşı koyayken. May I ask you a question? Do you know where the bus stop is? Siz bilesiz mi? Do you know? ... Siz bilesiz mi? Kibit koyayken. Do you know where the store is? Mina yardem kirek. I need help. Mina yardem kirek. Min odaştım. I need help. I got lost. Kovatlayasız mı? Could you repeat? Kovatlayasız mı? Min sizni anlamadım. Could you repeat? I didn't understand you. Bu küp mıtra? How much is this? When you're at a store, you can just ask for the price by saying bu küp mıtra? And here are a few phrases that you can use to respond to these types of inquiries. Ey, yes. Ey, yok. No. Yok. Yorar. Yorar. Okay. Simple agreement. Sina bugün kunakka kilim mi? Yorar, kil. Should I come over today? Okay. Elbette. Of course, certainly. Elbette min haklı. Of course, I'm right. Min bilem. I know. Min sizni bilem. I know you. Min bilmem. I don't know. Min bilmem gafuytëgës. I don't know, I'm sorry. Min anladım. I understood. Min anladım rahmet. I understood you. Thank you. Min anlamadım. I didn't understand. Min sizni anlamadım. Ekran reaksiyle güzeli. I didn't understand you. Could you say it more slowly? Anlaşıldı. I see or got it. Yarar, anlaşıldı. Okay, got it. Bırçılmağız. Don't worry. Bırçılmağız men sizge yolunu көрсөттермин. Don't worry, I'll show you the route. Eyde gittik. Let's go. Eyde gittik. You can say this when you're about to start something or when you're about to go somewhere. Now, how would you agree or disagree with someone? And there are a few ways to do that depending on the context. Min riza. I agree. Min senin bilen yerip kırırga riza. I agree to go out with you. Big chef bulgan bu. That's awesome. Min yeni maşını aldım. Big chef bulgan bu. I got a new car. That's awesome. Menabit. Menabit. There you go. Menabit anladım bu yola. There you go. You got it this time. Kiliştik. Deal or agreed. Olaysa kiliştik. Bugün kiş bilen kuruşuruz. Then agreed. I'll see you tonight. Mean big shot. I'm very happy. Mean sizin için big shot. I'm very happy for you. Yok не буйлим. I don't think so. Yok не буйлим. Minimçe. In my opinion. Minimçe sin haklı. In my opinion, you are right. Şulayken. Oh, I see. Şulayken. When you hear some kind of news and you're not sure what you feel about it. Sin dürüstsilisin. You're right. Sin dürüstsilisin. Min de işittim o haberini. You're right. I heard that news too. And finally, let's look at a few phrases to say bye. Hoş. Bye. Very simple. Hoş. Hayırlı yol or hayırlı yollar. Have a safe trip, have a safe flight or ride. So basically have a safe trip. Hayırlı yollar. Sobol. Bye. Another way to say goodbye or bye, just in a more, I guess, formal way. Selamet. Say hi to ... Apama minnet selamet. Hey, say hi to your sister from me. There are your most commonly used Tatar phrases that you can use in everyday life. I hope that you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like it and to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any future lessons. Görüşken çiğer hatlı. Sağ olun. See you guys soon. Bye.